Alright.
Hey guys, today, well, it's Friday. You know what that means. We're having pizza in the garage tonight. I already ate, of course. Waiting for the primer to finally dry, and we're gonna put a coat of black on it. But watching Vice Grip Garage tonight, on top of everything else. It's not loading right now, so he's working on a Studebaker. If you haven't checked him out, you should check him out. He's really funny. He's awesome. Yeah, on YouTube. Yeah. So if you haven't seen him already, go check him out. He does a lot of cool work, and he's awesome. He's an awesome guy. So back to the truck. We don't know where we're gonna start yet. If we're gonna start in the engine bay, if we're gonna start on the boxes, if we're gonna start on the interior, we don't know yet. We might end up making one of the boxes back there into a fuel cell. So we'll get all that figured out. I won't hold you guys up too long. We're gonna put a coat of black on the transmission quick and stuff. So should I get them in there? I don't know. Alright, yep, start painting. Alright guys, so we paused the video and shut it off for you guys. I put an extra coat on after we stopped the video because it needed an extra one. It takes way too long to film it, so we're just gonna chop that up and fast forward it for you guys. So it looks really, really nice actually. It's glossy as of right now.
Anyway, we're gonna have to figure out color.
Here it is. Compared to what it looked like before, a few hours ago, 100 times better. Oh yeah, we still got to flip this one right here and get the bottom, paint that. It's kind of cool. So glossy you can see the TV through it. Yeah, can't believe this table's holding up. It got holes in the bottom, it's poking through just from these things right there. Yes, it is heavy. So, engine bay is the main priority right now, so as soon as them are drying, we could really put it on the engine and put it in the truck. We'll probably end up spray painting the inside here. Here it is, a different view for you. So we're gonna paint all this up, paint this up, that. And the firewall, yes. It's all gonna be black. So can't wait till we can get to start doing that and actually get the transmission and engine and stuff in here. Still got to bend that back. I was kicking it before it wouldn't go back in, so maybe pushing it back in with the transmission will help. I have no idea. Undo what we did, kinda. But truck's looking pretty good. I took the vacuum through in here. We were having a problem with it. It kept shooting all the dust that came through it out, and I forgot to put the cover back on when I cleaned the filter out. So got all of our kind of tools we need for scraping all the stuff back out. We got to get this big layer here off, if you could see that. Should come off. Yeah, I'll probably use BFH for that. So, all right, this side. Looks pretty nice. Got to go through and the shop vac and clean it all up. Yeah, we're probably gonna do the boxes tonight. Not sure. Grind up and clean them up, and yeah. Lots to do, just don't know where to start. You're right. Started cleaning in here too. I vacuumed it all out. I didn't get this side because I put all the bolts over here while I vacuumed over there. So I got these. Yeah, I still got to get behind here. I tried over there, but kept shooting it back out onto the floor over there. So yes, the plan is to clean it out for the night. Yeah, we're gonna try finding a new style, Suburban seat. Tahoe Suburban seat, and maybe figure it out and try fitting it in here, make the right bracketry and stuff like that. But we'll try to do it. There's no room in here for a seat, really. Your knees are touching the steering wheel most of the time. Okay. We're gonna try hitting that dent out too one of these days. Try getting the dent out on top of the truck. We'll do that in another video. Yeah. We found a place that we might be able to find all the windows and stuff and seals and stuff, but we can't order it till after Christmas, right? Or something like that.
We can order it, but he's not in till after Christmas.
Yeah, we can order it, but he won't be in to ship it until after Christmas, so we'll wait on that. Got our lights back here. We got to redo all the wiring in this truck, so that's gonna be fun. No. All right, here's one of the levers for in by the transmission. Got a whole bunch of these levers, so be fun putting them in the sandblaster and painting them up. Excuse me, sir. Throw that on the floor. Alright. I think that's gonna cover it all for right now. We'll start getting the transmission on the engine. Take 2 bolts out on each side of the engine. Put it on the engine hoist. And pick it up and set her down so we can get the transmission on and stuff. So we can get that all sorted out so we can get the engine in the truck soon, I hope. But yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it. I'll probably let you go. Got a lot of work to do, so can't hold up too long. So get all this rust out of these boxes, and we'll just start with that. How about that? So we don't gotta do 100 things at once and waste our time a little bit. So, all right, guys.
More focused in one area at a time.
Yeah, one area at a time.
Start and finish one spot at a time.
Yeah.
They can't hear me say that, so you have to say it.
They can hear you. Yeah, they can. You little devil. So, we'll do the boxes and then I'll clean up this front grill. And we'll just start with that and we'll see where it takes us after that. So, I'll let you guys go. I'll see you guys later. I don't know. See you guys later.
Mom's weekend, so
Yeah, mom's weekend.
maybe I'll come tomorrow and work some more and do another video tomorrow.
Yeah. Tonight or tomorrow, yeah. But, alright guys, I'll see you guys later. See you guys in the next one. Bye.